Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It is Friday the 17th. Let's get to the weather wisdom for today. Boy, it was quite warm yesterday. Bradley hit a whopping 90 degrees and got into the 70s to near 80. Well, inland, Boston, of course, chilly, staying in the 40s and 50s all day long. Really was quite a cold regime along the coastline. Last night, Boston was 45 degrees during the evening after reaching that high of 54 yesterday. Pretty amazing to have such a chilly day when you had temperatures 35 degrees warmer. Not too far inland, relatively speaking. The east wind means business this time of the year. All right, today we've got mostly cloudy skies. Temperatures this afternoon, wide range again, not quite as wide, but near 70 well inland, staying in the 50s right at the coastline. Overnight tonight, there might be an evening shower. Temperatures falling back down toward 50 degrees. Tomorrow, we're going to see mostly cloudy skies. I think we remain rain-free. That's the good news. We're up near 60, and then temperatures fall back in the afternoon. I think it's going to be downright chilly around here tomorrow afternoon, so be aware of that. Probably falling back into the 40s. You'll need some jackets and all that stuff. And then as we head for the daytime on Sunday, cloudy near 60. By the way, we are sponsored by Valenti Farms in Needham for all your garden needs. I've got some lettuces and some broccolis and some kales from them this week, so I'll be planting that stuff. So then as we head for Monday after the showers Sunday night, we clear out, and it's going to be blustery and cold, and watch for the freeze Monday night into Tuesday. Have a great weekend, everybody.